Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to install WooCommerce plugin on it. So first of all we will log into our WordPress website dashboard. From the WordPress website dashboard, click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now we will search for WooCommerce. Click on install now. Now click on activate. Once the plugin is activated, it will take us to the setup wizard. You can set up your store with the help of wizard or you can skip guided setup. I will set up my store. So I will click on set up my store. I will select I am just starting my business and click on continue. Now I will select the industry. Now we will select the store location. After that we are going to scroll down and click on continue from here. Now we will keep all of these checkboxes checked and then click on continue. And now our store is getting ready. And now you can create your WordPress account. But from the top I am going to select no thanks and we will be redirected to our WordPress website dashboard. Now on the left menu you will see the WooCommerce tab, Products tab, Payments tab, Analytics and Marketing tab. So if you want to add new products to your website, just hover over products and then click on add new product. Now from here you can easily add the product name, product description, and you can also add all the other details for your product like product price, virtual or simple. So you can select each and everything from here. Once you are done adding all the details for your product, now from the left menu just click on publish and in this way your product will be added to your WordPress website. So this is how you can install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.